Hello and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Okay, we're going to start with our do now. What are the whole numbers? We have got our parts here, but we don't know what the whole numbers are. Okay, so what you can do is pause the video. What you need to do is add the two parts together. Okay, you need to add the two parts together, and that will find the whole number. Off you go. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a go together. So in this part, we have got 7. 7 plus 1. 7. Let's count on. 7, 8. And here we're going to have our 8. Lovely. Moving on to this one. So we have got 2 in this part. How many have we got over here? 4. Let's count on from 4. 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 makes 6. And lastly, we have got 0, no parts. No cubes in this part. And we have got 7 in this part. 0 plus 7 makes 7. Okay, today, boys and girls, we are finding number bonds for number 9. You'll be successful if you can split a number into two parts. You can say what the whole number is and what the parts are. And if you can find different number bonds for the number, okay, different number pairs or number bonds for the number 9. Our star words today are equal to, part, and whole. Okay, let's have a go at our new learning today. My turn first. I'm going to go onto my visualizer and we're going to make some number bonds for the number 9. So I'm going to have a 9 up here. That's in my circle there. And then I'm going to have 1 part here. And I'm going to have 1 part here. Now, yesterday, I decided that we're going to work methodically. We're going to work methodically. It's a hard one to say, that word. So that means we're going to work with a method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 9 cubes and I'm going to pop them all over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes in this side. And then I can make a number sentence with that now for my number bond. So right, let's go. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Okay, then I'm going to move 1 across because I'm working methodically. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now I did 8 because I have 8 over here, and the 1 because I have 1 over here. Right, I'm going to move 1 across now, keeping with the same method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Each time, my whole number is going to be 9. Okay, let's have another go. I'm going to move 1 from here into here. Off we go. There we go. So now we have got how many over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many have I got over here? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put here 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, I'm going to quickly rub this off and I'm going to write it out. In a line. So I've got my 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. And I also did 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now, remember, boys and girls, in yesterday's lesson, I showed you a little trick that I found. Have a look at these numbers here. What's happening to them? We start here. 9, 8, 7, 6. What's happened to the numbers each time? The number is going down. Okay, have a look over here. 0, 1, 2, 3. What's happening to these numbers? Each time it's going up. So I wonder if I can work this out. So 9, 8, 7, 6. My next number sentence will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 9. Now we can work that out. We can check that before we move on. So I need 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it works. Brilliant. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let's develop our learning now. So we have got some missing numbers here. We need to find what number is missing and fill in the blanks. Okay, so we'll go back to our visualizer and we'll work this out together. So first one, they're all 9. So I've got 1 over here. We don't know how many are going here. Let's go back onto the visualizer now. So I have got 9 is my whole number. In this part, I have got 1. We don't know how many we've got here. So let's get my 9 cubes and put them up at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9 cubes. And how many do I need to put over here? 1. Very good. I'm going to put 1 over here. Now, what am I going to do with all of these then? Yes, I need to put them in here. So in you go, like this. So I've split my whole number into 2 parts. Now let's work it out. So in this part I have got 1, and this part I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8 makes 9. Okay, let's write that in. One and 8 makes 9. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 9, and we've got a 3 there. We've got a 9 and we've got a 3, but we don't have our other part. Okay. So if we look at the visualizer, 1, 2, 3. I've got my 3 there. Now I've got all of these cubes up here. What do I need to do with these cubes? I've got 3 in this part. What should I do with these? Yes, I need to put them in here, don't I? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so my whole number is 9. Over here I've got 1, 2, 3. And over here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 6 makes 9. Fantastic. Let's fill that one in. Okay, our next one, we have got 9 as our whole number. In this part, we had got 2, but we're missing a part, missing our number in this part. So let's have a go at that one. Right, so our number here is going to be 2. And our cubes are going to stay up here for now. What's the first thing I need to do? Well, first I should count how many I've got in this part. So let's count that. 1, 2. I have 2 over here. Great, there's my number 2. Okay, and I need to move these. Where do I need to move these to? Thank you. I need to put them in here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 7 makes 9. Very good, boys and girls. So let's put that one in. 2 and 7 makes 9. On to the next one now. So we have got 4 and something makes 9. So our whole number is 4 and our part is our whole number is 9 and our part is 4. Okay, so I'm just popping these up here. Let's have a look at what I'm doing. I've got my part here and I've got my whole up here. So I've got 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many needs to go in here? Let's work it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5 makes 9. Sorry, I'll do that again. I don't know if you saw that. Okay, let's do it again. So I have 4 over here. 4 over here, and I had we're missing what's in here. Okay, so I've got my 4 here, and I'm going to add these remaining cubes to this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 4 plus 5 makes 9. Great, let's pop that in. And the last one over here, we've got 9 is our whole number. In this part, we have 0. What's going to go in here? Okay, let's line them up one more time and have a go. So I have got let me write this again, make it nice and neat. 9 up here. And I have got 0 in this one. How many have I got over here? So I can't put any in here. So all of these cubes I've got up here need to go into the other part. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have got 0 and 9 makes 9. Okay, boys and girls, your independent learning looks like this. What I would like you to do is work methodically. Okay, it's working to a method. So I'm going to show you how I want you to do the first one, and I'm going to show you how I want you to move on. Okay, so if we go into the visualizer, I am going to have 9 as my whole number. And I'm going to have my 2 parts. Okay, got my 2 parts and I've got my 9 there. Right, I want you to start with all of your parts all of your cubes in one part. You can do this one or you can do the next one. Okay, so I've got 9 in here and I've got 0 in here. So my first number bond I could write, the 9 would be 9 and 0. Okay, then what I want you to do for your next one is work methodically. So you're going to move 1 across, 1 over here. How many have I got in this part now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then I can put 8 in here. 8 and 1. Then, boys and girls, I want you to move your cube, 1 cube, over. Okay, then you count how many is in each part and write the numbers in. Okay, boys and girls, good luck with that. And off you go. Make sure it gets put onto Seesaw afterwards. Thank you.